Intro. Welcome back to another earnings breakdown. Today we are unpacking the Q4 FY26 results for Angel One Limited. Let's dive into the data. Total income. Let's examine the top line. Total income came in strong at 1467.25 crores. Operating revenue stood at 1459.42 crores, supported by other income of 7.82 crores. That is a solid jump, up 9.68% quarter-on-quarter and a massive 38.70% year-on-year. Expenses. Moving to the cost side of the ledger. Total expenses for the quarter stood at 1,027.34 crores. As a financial services firm, there are no raw material costs, but employee benefit expenses took up 244.34 crores, while other expenses reached 414.94 crores. EBITDA. Operating performance was undeniably robust. Estimated EBITDA reached approximately 606.40 crores, pushing EBITDA margins to a healthy 41.33%. This reflects an expansion of 156 bips QoQ, growing 0.16% sequentially and an impressive 75.99% compared to last year. PBT. Drilling down to core profitability. Profit before tax hit a stellar 439.89 crores. This demonstrates a steady 17.80% sequential growth quarter-over-quarter and a highly impressive 86.60% year-on-year gain. PAT. The bottom line continues to impress the street. Net profit landed comfortably at 320.24 crores, giving the firm a PAT margin of 21.83%. That translates to a 19.20% quarter-on-quarter jump and a massive 83.50% acceleration year-on-year. EPS. Looking directly at per-share value creation. Basic EPS stands at 3.52 rupees, adjusted for the recent stock split. This is a direct reflection of the bottom line surge, showing an 18.92% QoQ increase and an 82.38% YoY spike. Summary. To wrap it up, Angel One delivered a fundamentally stellar Q4. Revenue trends remain strictly upward, PAT is displaying strong growth, and margins are expanding beautifully. A highly positive quarter overall. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.